yanking me.
Yeah.
What?
That's so like we're not.